Meaning of Genesis.
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 Genesis. The word Genesis refers to the beginning or origin of something. It is often used in a religious context to refer to the creation story in the Bible. However, it can also be used more generally to describe the starting point or foundation of any idea, movement, or entity. Genesis is a crucial concept in many fields, including science, philosophy, and literature, as it helps us understand how things came to be and how they developed over time. Overall, Genesis is a fundamental concept that underpins our understanding of the world around us.